Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the ringtone settings of your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to set or change a ringtone in your device, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can set or change a custom ringtone in your device Infinix Hot 20.